Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds b and d. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the b sound in the word bark, bark, bark. Now the d sound in the word dark, dark, dark. Now I will use them both in a sentence. The tree's bark is very dark. The tree's bark is very dark. The tree's bark is very dark. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for lessons, games, and chat. Bye!